What if your smartphone could completely redefine how you capture the world? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, that's exactly what you get. It's not just a smartphone, it's a tool that empowers creators to capture the highest quality video imaginable, and it does so with ease and precision. This device is here to push the boundaries of mobile technology and offers an exceptional experience, especially when it comes to video recording. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse when it comes to cameras. What truly sets it apart is its ability to record in stunning 8K resolution. And this isn't just available on one camera. Samsung has made sure that 3 of its main lenses support this groundbreaking feature. You get the primary 200 megapixels camera, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera, all capable of capturing video in 8K at 30 frames per second. This is a huge leap forward in mobile video recording, giving you flexibility and the ability to shoot videos with unmatched detail, regardless of the scene. Whether you're shooting vast landscapes or close-up shots, the level of detail you can achieve is absolutely remarkable. Samsung has spent years refining its 8K video capabilities, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a testament to that. In the past, the limitation for 8K video was that the camera sensor had to be at least 33 megapixels to handle the resolution. With the S25 Ultra, however, this hurdle is easily surpassed thanks to its ultra-wide camera, which now boasts a 50 megapixel sensor. This improvement makes it possible to shoot incredibly detailed footage of wide open spaces or large groups of people in one shot, offering a wide field of view without compromising on quality. But let's be honest, no device is perfect, and there is one small limitation to consider. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers 3 different cameras capable of shooting 8K video, once you begin recording, you cannot switch between the primary, ultra-wide, or telephoto lenses. You have to stick with the camera you started with for the duration of the video. It's not a huge issue, but it's something that Samsung could potentially address in future models. Having the ability to seamlessly switch between cameras while recording would be a game changer for creators, and there's hope that the next iteration will offer this feature. Speaking of future possibilities, the rumor mill is already buzzing about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and people are speculating what improvements Samsung could introduce. One of the biggest discussions revolves around the camera setup. Many were expecting this year's model to upgrade the 3x zoom camera to a 50 megapixel sensor, but that didn't happen. Instead, the 3x zoom camera still uses a 10 megapixel sensor, which isn't powerful enough to record in 8K resolution. If Samsung makes this upgrade next year, we could see all rear cameras capable of capturing 8K video, giving creators more freedom and flexibility when filming. Imagine being able to switch between lenses while maintaining the same high-quality 8K resolution. Now that would be incredible for video production. For now though, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stands tall as one of the most advanced smartphones for video recording. It's setting a new standard for what mobile phones can do, and it's clear that Samsung is committed to making even more improvements in the future. Samsung has always been a leader in the smartphone camera game, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. While some competitors, especially from Chinese brands, are making leaps every year, Samsung has taken a more measured approach. This year, the Galaxy S25 Ultra features just one major hardware upgrade. But don't let that fool you. The improvements in image quality and video performance are nothing short of impressive. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. At the heart of the camera system is a combination of refined hardware and innovative software. The phone retains the 200 megapixel ISOCELL primary camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, a 50 megapixel super telephoto camera, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, the ultra-wide camera has received a significant boost, upgraded from 12 megapixels to an impressive 50 megapixels. This means sharper images, improved macro shots, and better little light performance thanks to its wider aperture that allows more light to hit the sensor. The result? Photos with less noise and faster shutter speeds, even in challenging conditions. Samsung's new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip powers the ProVisual engine, which takes the Galaxy S25 Ultra's image processing to the next level. Leveraging artificial intelligence, this system enhances every frame by reducing noise, boosting color depth, and expanding dynamic range. A particularly interesting addition is the spatiotemporal filter, which smartly identifies static and moving subjects in a frame, processing them separately to reduce blur and capture each detail crisply. Whether you're snapping a family photo or shooting a bustling cityscape, this feature ensures every moment looks stunning. Video enthusiasts will love the enhanced 8K recording capabilities, For the first time, the Galaxy S25 Ultra allows you to capture 8K videos at 30 frames per second using not just the primary camera, but also the ultra-wide and 50 megapixel telephoto cameras. However, you'll need to choose one camera for 8K recording since switching between lenses isn't supported during filming. Samsung has also made 10-bit HDR the default for videos, offering richer and more vibrant colors than ever before, regardless of lighting conditions. Expert RAW mode has also been improved, giving photographers greater creative control. On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can now capture 200 megapixel RAW images, up from the previous 50 megapixel limit. The excitement in the smartphone world is reaching new heights as Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy S25. Known for its innovative edge, Samsung has consistently led the way in smartphone technology, and the Galaxy S25 promises to push the boundaries even further. From powerful hardware to cutting-edge software, this phone is shaping up to be something truly special. But with so many rumors swirling, the big question remains, is the Galaxy S25 as groundbreaking as everyone is hoping? First, let's talk about the display, which could be one of the standout features of this device. If the rumors are true, the Galaxy S25 will feature a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, offering an incredibly smooth experience with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. This isn't just about eye-catching visuals, it's about performance that will make everything from scrolling to gaming feel seamless. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or playing the latest mobile games, the display will elevate the experience. Performance is another area where the Galaxy S25 is expected to shine. Under the hood, it's rumored to come equipped with Samsung's new Exynos 2500 chip, built using a cutting-edge 3nm process. For markets outside the Exynos reach, the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor could be included, ensuring ultra-fast performance no matter where you are. With up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, the phone will make multitasking smooth and effortless, whether you're switching between apps, streaming videos, or gaming. When it comes to cameras, Samsung isn't holding back. Rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 will be equipped with a 200 megapixel main camera sensor capable of capturing stunning detail, even in low light. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses are also expected to receive major upgrades, with the telephoto lens offering up to 10x optical zoom, which would be perfect for capturing far-off subjects with clarity. The front camera is likely to see a boost as well, with reports indicating a 40 megapixel sensor designed for crystal clear selfies and video calls. Battery life is always a key consideration, and it looks like Samsung has this covered with a massive 5,500 mAh battery. With more efficient components and smart software optimization, the Galaxy S25 could easily get you through a full day on a single charge. And when you do need to top it off, fast charging is said to reach up to 65 watts via wired charging, while wireless charging could reach up to 30 watts, meaning you won't be waiting long for a full battery. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 will likely run Samsung's One User Interface 7.0,